Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Digistore24 as an affiliate, step by step. Whether you are on a PC or mobile device, the process is simple. Just follow the steps along. So the first thing that you need to do is open your web browser, then in the search bar, type digistore24.com/affiliates. This will take you into the official Digistore24 affiliate page. Once you're there, click on the Start Now, it's free to sign up button. You'll now be on the registration page. Here's what you need to do. Choose a public username, enter your email address, and create a strong password. Under main source of revenue, select affiliate since you're signing up as an affiliate, not a vendor. Then check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and click continue in the bottom right corner. Next, you'll need to enter your personal and business details, such as title, could be Mr., Miss, etc. First and last name, then your company. You can use your YouTube channel brand or your brand name or website name. Then for the full address, your street, zip code, city, and state. Country and phone number. And also optional, Skype name or Telegram ID if you have. Then once all the fields are completed, click register for free now at the bottom of the screen. You'll be taken to a confirmation page that says, congratulations, you are now registered with Digistore24. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.